Jai Sanskar. In this segment, we are going to discuss about languages that are spoken in northern India. So, Punjabi speak Punjabi language, Haryanvi speak Haryanvi language. People in Uttar Pradesh use Hindi and Urdu language, while Urdu is a major language in Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmiri and Dongri language is also spoken there. Beside Hindi, Garhwali, Kumaon dialects are also spoken in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand specifically, which is called Devbhoomi of India, there Garhwali, Kumaon and Hindi language is spoken. The state language of Himachal Pradesh is Pahari. Moreover, local dialects are spoken in remote area of each state. Let's just see festivals and holidays. So, Baisakhi and Lohri are major festivals in Punjab. Bhangra is a famous folk dance of Punjab. Eid and Muharram festival are celebrated in Jammu, Kashmir. Dashera is celebrated in special way in Kullu of Himachal Pradesh. Holi is a major festival in Uttar Pradesh. Kathak is a well-known dance style of Uttar Pradesh. And besides festival, Shivratri, Ramnavami, Janmashtami, Dashera, Eid, Muharram, Christmas are also celebrated over there. Fairs. Kullu's Dashera fair is well-known fair. In Punjab, Marchors fair is held. Kumbh Mela and Magh Mela are famous fair of Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. In Uttarakhand, Kumbh and Ardh Kumbh fairs are famous. So these are the fairs which are very famous in India. Basically, Kumbh Mela or fair is very famous in India. Next is lifestyle, Southern India. So, the state of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Union Territory of Pondicherry are included in South India. Southern India is a peninsula and all states except Telangana have sea coast. We know if a person has sea coast, then staple food is going to be fish and rice. So, Southern India has a peninsular sea, that means three sides of it is covered by water and another side is attached with the land. So, if you see the Southern India, it is inverted triangle kind of structure. That's why we say it has a peninsular sea, and except Telangana, rest all states do have sea coast. Food. The southern state fish and rice from their main diet. Okay, rice and fish is main diet because there is a sea coast. Idli, dosa, mendu vada, etc. along with coconut chutney are famous rice preparation of South India. They eat rasam, which is like dal, in their meal. Coconut leaves are used as a dish in Kerala. So basically कोई पर साउथ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट में अंदर તમે જાઓ તો આ બધું અપ્પમ ઉત્તપમ this all are South Indian recipe, idli, dosa, etc. Because of sea coast there is a more production of coconut and this coconut is part of their food. That means they use coconut chutney, coconut oil, etc. out of it. They cook in coconut oil also. There is a huge usage of this coconut. They use coconut leaves as a plate also. Dressing. Due to hot and humid weather in south, people wear loose garment. Lungi, pehran, khesh on the shoulder. Occasionally, a headgear are common attire among men. Women wear sari in southern style, petticoat and blouse. Keralians wear lungi or short dhoti. Ladies put on flower strips or veini in their head. Basically મહારાષ્ટ્ર છે, સાઉધર્ન સ્ટેટ્સ જે છે એ બધાની અંદર આ ટ્રેડિશન છે કે વાળની અંદર વેણી જે છે એ લગાવે, બટ ઓકેશનલી. બટ જે સ્પેશિયલી આપણે વાત કરીએ કેરેલાની, તો ત્યાંના લોકો જે છે, લેડીઝ જે છે, એવરીડે લાઈફસ્ટાઈલની અંદર એ લોકો રેગ્યુલરલી માથામાં વેણી લગાવે. Dwellings. People live in house of brick and cement. Modern housing is seen in Bengaluru and Chennai. People live near sea coast, use coconut leaves in their huts. A rangoli is a daily routine in South India. ગુજરાતની અંદર રંગોલી જે છે ખાલી દિવાળીના ટાઈમમાં જોવા મળે, બટ if we talk about Southern India, it is a daily tradition. Basically રંગોલીનું significance is that one can know that how is your mood just by observing the rangoli you made. If you are happy, you will make some very interesting design, then person will know today's hostess is in very great mood. If she is not happy, then she will draw anything random or small rangoli, so one can know, so today's hostess is having bad mood. So this is the significance of rangoli. Language. Language in South India belongs to Dravid family of language. Kannada language is spoken in Karnataka. Other languages are spoken are Telugu in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Tamil in Tamil Nadu, and Malayalam in Kerala. Festivals and holidays. Andhra Pradesh is famous for Kuchipudi dance, Shivratri, Makar Sankranti. Baishakhi festival are celebrated there. Mysore in Karnataka celebrate Dashera, Eid and Navratri festivals. Kathakali is well-known dance of Kerala. Onam, Christmas, Eid, Shivratri are other festivals celebrated in Kerala. Bharatanatyam is very famous dance style of Tamil Nadu, and Pongal is its main festival. So these are the festival. Basically we don't hear about this Pongal and Onam, but these are also dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Next is lifestyle, Eastern India. The state of Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Sikkim, Meghalaya, etc. are included in Eastern India. Of these, Odisha and West Bengal have sea coast. So Odisha and West Bengal people might having fish and rice as a staple food. People in Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and West Bengal take roti, vegetable, but use more rice in their meals. Rice is a staple diet in mountainous region. They also use pulses, green vegetable, in their meals. Rasgulla and Sandesh are their favorite sweets. This is about Assamese and Bengali people. Rasgulla and Sandesh is very famous. Basically there is a little bit culture difference between Gujarat and Maharashtra. Same way there is a little bit or little difference in culture between Kolkata and Odisha. So they do have wheat also, they do have rice also, because of Ganga river flowing through that particular area. Because of that they do have very fertile land. Okay. Dressing. Bihari people wear dhoti, jabbo, khesh on shoulder and pag. Women put on sari, petticoat and blouse. There is not much difference in attire of people in Jharkhand, Assam and Odisha. Bengali ladies wear sari in Bengali style and gents put on plaited dhoti and silken jabbo. Dwellings. People in plain region live in house made of bricks and cement. People in mountains use wood and bamboo in their house. Slanting roof are seen in region of very heavy rainfall. In Bengal there are pukur, which is called small pond in rear part of the house where fish is reared for daily use in their meals. So most of the Kolkata area do have the sea coast, okay, but there is if one person is rich enough, then he or she would have pond in their backyard, and in this particular pond, whatever kind of fish they do like, they will breed let breed that particular fish over there, and they will have fresh meat of that fish in their daily routine. So if in West Bengal, it is considered you are very rich man if you are eating fresh pond fish. Okay. Language. Hindi is spoken in Jharkhand, Bihar, Chhattisgarh. Maithili, Bhojpuri, Maghadi are dialects spoken in Bihar. It is asked in exercise question also. So try to remember, Maithili, Bhojpuri and Maghadi are dialects spoken in Bihar. Assamese in Assam, Odia in Odisha and Bengali in Bengal are other spoken language in respective state. Garo and Khasi language are spoken in Meghalaya. Mizo dialect is used in Mizoram. Festivals and holidays. Bihu of Assam and Odissi in Odisha are famous dance style. Chariot procession of Jagannath Puri is world famous. Jagannath Puri ni yatra je છે એ એક મોટું ફેસ્ટિવલ જે છે, તહેવાર જે છે સેલિબ્રેટ થાય ઓનલી ઇન ઈસ્ટર્ન ઇન્ડિયા. આ એક પર્ટિક્યુલર ફેસ્ટિવલ વિશે આપણને ખબર છે. સો તમે આના વિશે મંદિર વિશે બી જાણો તો બહુ સરસ સ્ટોરી છે એની, સે દેટ હાઉ ધીસ ફેસ્ટિવલ એવરી યર્સ કેરીડ આઉટ. ઓકે. Festival of Chhath and Bhai Dooj in Bihar, Durga Puja in Bengal are celebrated with great pomp. Thus, every state has its own festivals and holidays. India is a secular country, so every state celebrates religious and national festivals. In India, festivals of all religion are celebrated without any bias. This is a thing. So each and every state has their own preferences and all, but each and every festival is allowed to celebrate it and people enjoy these festivals. One should know that in West Bengal there is a Durga Puja. નવરાત્રિનો આઠમનો જે દિવસ છે એ બહુ વધારે સેલિબ્રેટ વધારે શું કે પોમ્પથી સેલિબ્રેટ કરવામાં આવે. સો each and every સ્ટેટને પોતાના આવા પર્ટિક્યુલર ફેસ્ટિવલ્સ હોય. એ સિવાય નેશનલ ફેસ્ટિવલ્સ એ છે જેમ કે 15th ઓગસ્ટ Independence Day, 26th January Republic Day. So these festivals are also celebrated, and for festivals and food of that particular festival that joins people together. So that's all for now. Thank you.